You are going to love the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.